How to scan QR code with Google Lens. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily scan QR codes with Google Lens. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and hit the subscribe button as well. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Scanning QR code with Google Lens is a convenient way to access the information embedded in the code. So the first advantage is to convenience and the speed. It's also a built-in functionality, so you can find it, and it's also very versatile. So you will need this application downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store. And if you don't have the app, that's all right as well. You can find it by default on Google Chrome. So for that, you first need to open up your Google Chrome application. And right on the search bar, you will see the camera icon. Just tap on it. And once you do that, you can just go ahead and point the camera at the QR code. So here is the QR code and tap on the search icon. Now it will show you what the QR code says or what's embedded on the code. So this QR code particularly says like, share, and subscribe. So that's how you easily scan a QR code on Google Lens. I hope you found this helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.